Hi, Jordan is such a pain. He's going to make me work this problem out again and make me get it correct. Gee, Jordan, you're kind of demanding. Not only do you want the problem worked out, you want it worked out correctly. So let's try this problem again, doing it correct this time, shall we? I think I'm going to just multiply the top equation here, the number one equation. Let's see, like this is my number one equation, this is my number two equation, right? I'm going to multiply this top equation by the opposite of x squared, or maybe I'll multiply the bottom one by the opposite of x squared. So I'll leave the top one alone, x squared. No, I'm not. Let's actually try to look at the problem before I even start. I can't remember. I've done too many problems. No, I don't want to get rid of my x's. I want to get rid of my y's, because look at that. I've got y squared here and y squared here, so I want to get rid of those y's. Yeah, I don't want to get rid of the x's. Because if I get rid of the x's, then I'll have a y squared and an x still. If I get rid of the y's, then I only have x. My only variable will be x's. So yeah, I think I'll multiply my top by -5. So we're going to get -5x squared minus 5y squared plus 20x equals -105. Yes, I sort of remember this problem now. -5x squared, did I do that right? I don't want to make any more mistakes. Okay, the bottom stays the same. I've got x squared plus 5y squared, and this is going to equal a positive 49. Okay, then I'm going to add these two equations together. Here we go. I'm going to get -4x squared. See how the y squareds cancel? Lovely. 20x, and then here I'm going to get negative whatever that is. 105 minus 49, I can't remember. I think this was kind of part of the problem. 105 minus 49, 56. So this is going to be negative 56. And then I think I could divide a 4 out of everything. So I'm going to get x squared minus 5x when you divide by a -4, right? Divide -4 out. And that's going to equal 14. 14. Yeah, so then I'm going to get x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. And then now this is going to factor into x minus 7, x plus 2 equals 0. So therefore either x has to be 7 or x has to be -2. In order to get a 0, if x is 7, this first factor will be 0, right? And if x is -2, this second factor will be 0. And either way, I'll get a 0. And so that's how I get that. All right, now I'll come over here and I'll say, okay, if x equals 7, then let's put it back in the original equation here, one of the equations. I'll put it in the second equation right here, okay? If x is 7, I'm going to have 49, right? Because 7 squared is 49. Plus 5y squared equals 49. Ooh, look at that. All right, so 5y squared equals 0. So y squared is going to equal 0. So y is going to equal 0. All right, so that's one of my points right there, if x is 7. And then let's do the other one. I'll do a different color, and I'll do it somewhere up here just because I'm out of room, all right? So if x is, what's the other thing? -2. X is -2. Right, then I'm going to get 4 plus 5y squared equals 49. Do you see what I'm doing? Just put a -2 in here, right? -2 squared is 4. 4 plus 5y squared equals 49. And then we're going to get 5y squared equals 45. Y squared equals 9, and so y is going to equal a positive or -3. I think if I bring Wolfram alpha up, I'm not positive I can do it, but if I bring Wolfram alpha up, yeah, let me see if I can do it real quick. I can plot this in Wolfram alpha, and you'll see that it's going to get the same answer right over here. So let me just see. I know I always read through the word plot, and you don't have to, but I just like to. Let's see, I'm going to plot x squared plus y squared minus 4x equals 21. And I'm going to plot x squared plus 5y squared. And this is going to equal 49. So there we go. Let's plot those and let's see what happens. And let's see if I can bring this whole thing up here. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Seems like sometimes it lets me do this, and other times it doesn't really let me do this. I'm not sure why. I can't scroll down. Can I scroll down? Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. There it is, right there. See? Now look, if I hover right here, look, there's one of my points, -2, 3. There's the other point, -2, -3, and here's the point, 7, 0. So there it is in Wolfram Alpha. And then also if I should always write the solution set down over here too. So just the final answer down over here, the 3 points. The solution set is, let's see, when x is 7, y is 0. That's the 1 point that was by itself over there. And then here's the other one when x is, why did I say x? I'm not redoing the problem. This is supposed to be if x is equal to -2. Jordan, we're going with this. This is an x. So if x is equal to -2, y is equal to 3, and then if x is equal to -2, y is equal to -3, this is good. We're going to go with this as a roll. Because for some reason I can't get this problem right. Okay.